Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be making this cute little pouch and everyday useful money purse. So let's get started. So first we have to make a slip knot. It is very normal, just do a half knot with your fingers. Pull to make a knot and insert your hook into the loop. So now we have to make 21 chains. It is our foundation chain for our purse. So yarn over, pull through, and here is our first chain. We have to continue making 20 more chains for this round. So we have done making our 21 chain. Now we have to skip the first 2 stitches and do double crochet into each of the chains we have. So yarn over and go to the third loop, insert our hook into the loop and then yarn over again. Now we have 3 loops on our hook. Go to the first 2 loops first, yarn over again and pull through the first 2 loops. Now we have two more loops on our hook and we have to yarn over and pull through all of them. So here is our first double crochet for our project. Don't forget to use a stitch marker for our first stitch. So now we have to continue making double crochet in each of the stitches. So now we have to make 6 double crochet in one stitch. We are going to make 1 double crochet in each stitches. So at this stage we are gonna make 6 double crochet in one stitch again for the base. So yarn over and insert your hook, yarn under, and then we have 3 loops on our hook, yarn over again, pull through 2 loops and then the 2 loops. Repeat this process until we get 6 double crochet. So now we have to make a slip stitch to our first stitch. So remove the stitch marker and then put a slip stitch there. So insert your hook and then grab the yarn and just pull through the 1 loop on our hook. So this is our base, and now we have to continue making 6 double crochet in each stitches. In this round we have to start with 2 chains, so yarn over and pull through. And now we have to continue making double crochet in each of the stitches. So start with the very first stitch of our work. And now yarn over and pull through first 2 loops and yarn over again, pull through second 2 loops. Now we have to use the stitch marker. At this point, we're gonna make double crochet in each of the stitches. So now all we have to do is remove the stitch marker and make a slip stitch to the first stitch as usual. So now you can see this is getting the shape. So make chain 2 and then do double crochet in each stitch until you get the length you want. So make chain 1 and then fasten off. We're just going to sew it under the stitches to hide it. So now we have to make the front part of our project, which is the upper part. So grab your yarn like me and then make a knot into any stitches of this round. You can just take any stitches from the side of our project. Now we are gonna make 2 chains and continue making 6 single crochet into every stitches. We are just going to put 1 double crochet in each of the stitches. But the difference is we're just going to do it in the one side of our project. So I'll be back after I finish the round. So this is our finished work. So now we're gonna make the white border of our work. So grab the white yarn and make a knot. Insert the hook and yarn over a tail like this. So now we're just going to continue making 1 single crochet in every stitches. So now here I'm gonna attach a bow. The bow tutorial will be published in my YouTube channel soon. I'll post it after I post this video. So now I'm going to make pom-pom for the hook type, which one we have to attach with. So make a magic ring and then chain 2 and then make double crochet with the half amount of them. So I just glued them for extra secure, for I thought it will help more. So thanks for watching this video, hopefully it helped you. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and support. So see you in the next video. Goodbye.